Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on System. Here we've got reset options, so let's tap on it, and on the second position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, tap on reset settings here. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm the whole step. And your device is asking you again if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action, so be aware about that and tap on reset settings if you are ready. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.